In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your language on Instagram. So to do that, you need to open up Instagram. You need to click on your profile. On the top right hamburger menu, click on Settings and Privacy. Scroll down until you see Language. Once you click on Language, it's going to tell you some information about it. Just click on Continue. And basically, to change the language, you actually need to change your phone language, because from here you actually can't do much. So that's basically how you do it. Once you change your phone language, Instagram language will be changed as well. So thank you for watching this video. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. If this video helped you out, leave a comment. If it didn't, let me know what was the problem and I'll do my best to help you out.